When working with numerical data sets, it's easy to use simple statistical summaries to draw conclusions from the data without checking for outliers that may be distorting that. Now, from a simple point of view, you can use a comparison of the mean and the median of the data to see if you have got any outliers, because the mean gets distorted by those, whereas the median not so much. Back in the 1970s, the statistician Francis Anscombe was credited with highlighting the importance of visualizing data to check for things like outliers. He gave us Anscombe's Quartet, a series of 4 11-point data sets which all have similar summary statistics but look very different when visualized in a graph. When looking at these charts, it's very easy to see any outliers and adjust your data sets accordingly. More recently, we have the Dinosaurs dozen. This started with one dataset of 142 points, which when charted gave us a picture of a dinosaur, again to prove the importance of visualizing data and not just relying on summary statistics. This work was expanded with a further 12 datasets of the same size, which all have the same summary statistics as the original dinosaur set, but all look very different when charted. I hope this short video gave you some insights into why charting of data is important to check for things like outliers that might be skewing your results. And maybe it's even given you a couple of examples to share with colleagues if you're trying to get the principle across to them as well. If you found this useful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to get notified of new content. And if you want to learn more on this principle, then check out my video on using some design concepts to create powerful visualizations with your data. Thanks for watching.